Hey everyone, you are on the Robles because today I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Payment declined error. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open the Google Play Store, tap on your profile picture, payment and subscription, then payment method. Ensure your card or payment method is valid and has sufficient PAD. Alright, so check card restriction. Some banks block online or international transactions. Contact your bank to ensure your card is enabled for Google Payments. Clear the Google Play cache. Just long press the app, tap storage and clear cache. Reopen the app and try the payment again. Use a different payment method. Go to your payment method in the Google Play Store, tap add payment method and follow the prompts. So if the issue is persist, contact Google support. Go to your profile, then help and feedback. After that, tap on contact us at the bottom. Explain the issue and provide transaction details for your assistant. And that's it. I hope one of these steps should fix the Google Payment declined error. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on next video.